Hey YouTube, welcome to my channel. Jazz Dwayne here. Today's day is June 16th, 2020. In today's video, I wanted to do a long power walk. I wanted to get myself out of the house, and I'm gonna walk along this long trail here within Greece, New York. I'm at my cousin's right now, and I have family out here in Greece, and I just wanted to get out of the house and do a power walk. And I'm off, this week, so I really wanted to show you guys around. I haven't been in my apartment in Hamlin in a while, so I'm out here in Greece, taking care of my older cousin at this time right now. So I wanted to get out of the house so I can show you guys around. So let's proceed. All right, well, this is the directions towards the Lake Ontario State Parkway. Those are directions, and that's the west part and the east part. The east part goes to the city, and the west part goes to Hilton, Hamlin, Holley, and Albion area. And Albion and Holley is in Orleans County, while Hilton and Hamlin area is in Monroe County. And this is the beginning of the trail, and I'm gonna walk my way towards the beginning of the trail. This is my second time doing these type of trails. It's the first time that I went through this trail, I only went halfway, and and I came back home. And this is when me and my cousin was walking through. You see a cyclist person going through already. And I'm walking very slow so you guys can actually see this beautiful view. You see a lot of greenery and a lot of flowers over here. I was showing you guys this wonderful view. This fly up there bothering me. I just wanted to get out of the house. I've been trapped there for a while despite me going to work. And I thought, walking around this trail would be a little easier to get my mind off of a lot of things that has been going on with me recently towards work and family life. You see these bushes and these beautiful flowers and crops and everything. And throughout this trail there's a highway down there that way. There's a cyclist going past me. I'm doing this very slowly. It's really beautiful during the day, and then when it comes to the winter time, all the trees and all the flowers are ruined by the snow. As I mentioned earlier, I tried to do a earlier video than this, but I wasn't really too satisfied with how it came out, and this was a few days ago. So I wanted to do a better version of this power walk. I just wanted to get my mojo in, and I just wanted to exercise this morning. I remember when I walked through here last time, the flowers were very powdery like. It smells so good too. You see those flowers, those flower bushes. You see those nice, beautiful flower bushes. I just want to see how everybody's morning is going so far. Because, you know, this is the afternoon and I wanted to do this before the dark comes through. And I will definitely show you guys the highways. Because I remember when I did this power walk with my older male cousin, you know, we only made it halfway. And then afterwards we went back to his apartment. And I haven't been in my home in Hamlin in a little while since this pandemic. So it's been a little bit frustrating. You see all the cars going through because there's a highway that way through the bushes. And I hope that they have some rivers over here today so I can show you guys. I'm pretty sure it's like a swamp area. But Lake Ontario is a very, very big river. It stretches from out here in Greece area towards Hamlin and Hilton area straight to my hometown of Syracuse. So it's a big river, you know, within upstate New York. These are the flowers and the bushes. I hope that you guys enjoy this beautiful, beautiful view. On this Tuesday afternoon. And a lot of pedestrians and a lot of cyclists come down here during the day, and motor vehicles ain't allowed down here. And I'm like, why would motor vehicle cars will drive through this long trail? I don't know why. That's insane if they actually do that. I hope you guys have a very good, you know, afternoon and a very good night. It feels so good to walk down this long trail. It keeps your mind off a whole lot of stressful situations during this difficult time. And, you know, I'm walking slow right now, so you guys can actually see, you know, the trees and the bushes and the trail. You see another bicyclist or cyclist. I don't know what to call them, cyclists or bicyclists. And I will definitely show you guys the streams and the highways. I'm doing this walk. And it's really hot too. You see all those cars because I'm close. I'm closer to the highway over towards that direction over there. And I'll definitely show you the highway, the Lake Ontario State Parkway. As I mentioned earlier, that highway takes you to towns like Hamlin, Hilton, Holley, Albion, and a town called Olcott, which is in Niagara Falls region. You see more of those flowers over here? See more of those flowers, those beautiful looking flowers? This beautiful view. I love nature. I'm such a nature type of person. People are coming through.
Hi there.
Hey. Have a good day. That was nice of them to say hello to you. I'm doing a long walk on this trail. It's so much fun. Yes, it is. And when it comes to vlogging, when you do outside videos, you have to, do certain parts of the scenery very slow so that everybody can see what you're recording. And it's a very hard thing to do, but this is like my third time outside. I did the rainbow video outside. That was random, and that wasn't expected. I didn't think about recording a rainbow video. It was just out of random. And the snow video too, random too. And I had to say thank you guys for the love and support on the rainbow video. It was just, a very random video to record that day. And, I was at the store running errands, and it was raining that day. And it was back in October when the rainbow appeared. And it was so beautiful. And I have to say, that rainbow was so crystal clear. It was so clear that day too. And it was raining as well. And this was probably a couple months, during my vlogging career on YT. Because I'm a part-time vlogger. Doing vlogging is not easy, but I make it happen, and I do most of my videos under pressure, and it shows. And it's a little easy to deal with sometimes. I hope in the near future I buy, a professional camera one day. Doing videos on a cell phone is a start. You got to start somewhere, and then you build yourself up. And never be cocky. And just take your time and record your videos and talk about what you want to talk about in your videos. And I'm not the type of person to record videos every single time. I like to come up with a discussion first before I record my videos. It'll be easier for me to remember. You see the tree with the ornaments on it? Oh my gosh. I cannot believe, in this part of June, mid-June, it still have ornaments on this tree here. I cannot believe it. That is insane. I cannot believe these ornaments are still here. That is so funny to me. As you say, Christmas in July. See the beautiful view back here. So I'm just trying to do, you know, everything before, you know, the sun turns to dark. And, you know, during the summertime up here in New York, you know, 8:30 sometimes look like 5:30 at night sometimes. It's insane. It's crazy when, you know, the time goes back an hour. I hope that this is not too slow for you guys. I just wanted to show you guys the view of the long trailway and, you know, the bushes and the flowers and so forth. You still see the bushes and the flowers and stuff, and the flowers have a very powdery smell to them. It smells very good if you ask me. And the highway, I'm approaching the highway. More of these nice, beautiful flowers over here. Beautiful flowers. The bushes, the crops, and all this stuff in this long trailway. And this way goes towards the Lake Ontario State Parkway, is a highway. As I mentioned earlier, this is my second time, you know, going on this trailway. And I went halfway last time. Nature is so sweet. And I'm always, you know, an adventurous type of person too. Along this power walk, I'm going to show you guys the streams and the highways. And this is in Greece, New York. A town outside of Rochester, New York. Not far from Charlotte and not that far from Rondequoit. And Rondequoit is further down. I will definitely show you guys. I'm not even driving, I'm mostly walking. Another cyclist coming by. And you see cars passing by already. You see the bushes in the forest part region, forest part back here. Look like a forest back here. This is a very nice view, if you ask me. All right, I'm approaching the highway. I'm doing this slow so that you guys can actually see the beautiful view, and I think that's the most difficult part when it comes to vlogging, because this is done on the cell phone. If I had like an actual camera itself, it'd probably been a little bit more easier. So I just want to be very careful, you know, recording. I'm approaching the highway too. And I'm probably going to show you guys the cars. I'm probably halfway towards the end of the trail too. I hear footsteps behind me. I forgot what you call those those little small little bicycles. I don't know what they called. See the bushes, see the flowers, see the highway. And cars are going past by. See more cars passing by. And this is the Lake Ontario State Parkway. As I mentioned earlier, this is the parkway. This go towards towns like Hilton, Hamlin, Holley, Albion. See more cars passing by. Another car coming. And this is, suburban. This is the suburbs. It's not even a city. And I've been out here since I was 24 years old. Especially in a town called Hamlin. I've been out there for years, but I'm more out in Greece than anything. And I think I'm probably halfway close to done with the trail. I'm probably halfway there. And that's the intersection towards 390 South. That highway takes you to towns like Corning and Bath, but you have to go through an intersection. And you don't even have to pay no tolls either. Some more cars coming through. A car passing through here this afternoon. You see the sign, 390 southbound. This is within Greece, New York. Because I haven't been in my town, Hamlin, in a while. You don't see a lot of Black Americans live out there. But I make it happen. And I've been out there for nearly 8 years. Because I have family out here within Greece area and Rochester area. My father's family's from here. See those beautiful flowers again. Beautiful flowers. And this trailway takes you straight to the parkway. It's a highway. And I drove on there a few times to go to my appointments. The air smells so good out here this afternoon, and I wanted to make sure that I record every little thing before it turns dark. If this was the fall season, I would have never did this. But it's easy to do it during the summer because after during the fall time, the sky turns dark after 5 o'clock in the afternoon, so it's hard to get the streams, the rivers, the trailways. So it's very difficult. There's a difference between regular cameras and cell phones, and with the cell phone, you have to do things a little slow, so everybody can see this view. Because I know there's a few swamps over here. More people coming, more cyclists are coming. I wish I had a bike. Oh crap, that's a runner. That's a runner. That's a runner. I thought it was a cyclist. It's a runner. I want to show you guys, the swamp. You see the swamps and the trees and the vegetation. It's very nice. Very nice. So the swamps, the rivers. Showing you guys more back here. And there's farms out here within Greece and Hilton and Hamlin areas. To realize this is the country, this is the suburbs. So it's very different from the city. And I'm not from here. I'm from Central New York. So it's very different. But it's probably very similar, you know, in upstate New York. You see more, you guys. More. See more. Cars going through. See more streams over here. Trees, streams. There's a bicyclist coming through, and I wanted to, you know, do vlogging cycling too, but you know, I probably would have messed up already. And doing cycling and vlogging, recording, I don't know how that would be done, but you know, the job would be probably, it would be multitask. It would be, you know, a little difficult to do those type of things. But with me, I always make things happen, and I do things under pressure. But I think cycling and recording a video would be hard to do because you don't want to get into any type of accidents or fall or scrape yourself on this pavement here that I'm walking on. This the trees, the vegetation. Showing you guys this nice view. I'm such a nature person, you just don't know. More cars passing through. The same beautiful powdery flower bush over there is everywhere during this power walk, during this long trail straight on through. More cars going through. I'm like halfway near the end of the trail. I'm pretty sure it's a swamp over here. The swamp over here, swamp area. You just trying to take it easy. See more trees and flower bushes over here. The same flowers that that I seen earlier. I know I'm about to come towards a big swamp during this long power walk. And this is my second time, you know, coming down here. And this time by myself, because the first time I went with my male cousin of mine. Because his family wanted him to be safe during this pandemic. The air smells so good, I'm telling you. The flowers smell very good, has that powdery scent towards them. I don't know what those white flowers are called though. I'll probably have to look it up on Google. And I'm about to come towards a bridge in the street. And the reason why I'm doing this a little slowly so that you guys can see the view. So I'll try not to, you know, rush it. Because as I mentioned earlier, this is my third time doing nature videos. Trying to see if more pedestrians like myself was walking through this, or bicyclist people or cyclist people are coming through. Because people walk through these trails every single day. And I just trying to get my power walk, trying to get my exercise on. You know, I couldn't do this type of exercise in the winter because it'll be so cold. And I've been used to this type of weather all my life. Some more cars coming through. I hope that every one of you guys have a very good, you know, week. Like, I could never run on this trail. I'll probably run out of breath. There's a guy running too. I know I'm probably halfway towards the end of this trail. Probably past this second bridge over here, because I know this is a street and this is within Greece, New York. Cars coming through and I'm near a highway. There's a street over here, and that's a street. It's not no highway, it's a street. That's a street right here, the street bridge right here. And this is the highway over here. See cars coming through. Trying to get my power walk on, and I'm having a good day so far. That street right here. So see more tree bushes and everything else over here. I know I'm probably gonna come towards a swamp soon, and that 390 South intersection, the highway is over there, past this bridge over here. The 390 bridge is 390 highway is right over there within not even less than a mile. I'm probably gonna come across a swamp right about now. This is the street over here on Island Cottage Road. Oh, I didn't realize there was graffiti over here. This is in the suburbs. Agrees. And I'm not even in Hamlin. And probably in future videos, I might go around those towns in a car probably. But I'm walking right now. I don't even have no vehicle right now. None whatsoever. I'm coming across this swamp area, river area. And as I mentioned, Lake Ontario is a very huge river within upstate New York. Stretches from Rochester and stretches straight to Syracuse, probably close to Albany area, and close to near Watertown. And I never been to Watertown before at all, from someone who's originally from Syracuse. This is the view over here, and this is a street over there. There's a street over here. It'll probably take you straight to Edgemere Road, and that street, Edgemere Road, has beautiful houses, and the lake and stuff out there is beautiful, and people go fishing over there. Lots of people do a lot of fishing over there. A lot of fishing. And I have my mask with me. I probably couldn't talk, through my mask, so I have to take it off so I can talk to you guys. And you see a guy here cutting the grass. That's the swamp area over there, and I don't want to wet my clothes, but I will definitely show you guys a nice view of the swamp area. And the guy's cutting the grass. Nice beautiful view over here. It seems like nothing but grass over here. You can see a truck coming through and another car coming through. Nice purple flowers over here. Nice purple flowers. I just want to do something different from my regular videos, is because, most of the time I do my videos in my apartment, and I wanted to get outside for once in my life and do an outside video. And this is my third time doing an outside video. I did a video in the autumn, the fall, and now the spring. It's almost summertime too. The guy cutting the grass. And over there, that's probably the end of the trail. And other pedestrians and cyclists or bicyclists like myself. I'm not a bicyclist, but I'm a pedestrian. I'm walking, down this long trail, and the trail ends right where the cars is passing through. Flowers over here. And I did it in this pace because I wanted you guys to actually see it. And that's the swamp area. Because I thought this was like a river or something, but this is like the swamp area. And this is the bridge where the other cars is passing through. I hope that I can see a closer view of the stream. Let me see if I can get a very good close view of the swamp. Because I want to make sure I don't fall in the swamp. That's the swamp, you guys. The swamp, I want to be very careful because the guy is cutting grass. So I want to be very careful. And that's the sign for the street intersection towards 390 South. Over there, if you see that sign. And then miles per hour sign you see over there in the bridge. And cars passing through. But this is a swamp, and you know, I don't want to be too close to the swamp area. It's very calm, very peaceful. This is where I live in upstate New York, Finger Lakes region. That's the swamp, guys. And I believe people fish over here as well. I'm not too sure if there's any fishes over in this region of the pond or the stream. I'm pretty sure there are. Sorry about that. Cyclists coming through. I know I'm like near the end of the trail, you guys. I hope that you guys have a very, very good afternoon and a good day too. Be safe, you guys. Stay out of trouble. That's the rest of the stream. Sorry guys if I'm not saying anything too much. I was just trying to show you guys the trail and the view. And as I mentioned to you guys in live streams and stuff and videos, I'm such a nature type of person. And I haven't walked this type of trail, you know, in a while. And I used to do trail walks in the city of Rochester a few years ago, a long time ago. I used to do trails like this. But I haven't did it in so long, and it's like an exercise to me. And I like to walk, to take my time, to show you guys around. Because I don't really do outside videos too much, and this is my third outside video, technically my first. Because the other two videos was not planned, but this was planned. And I'm near the end of the trail, you guys. Because I would have thought that this probably would have been like part 2 of the trail. But I guess this is, I believe, near the end towards there. I think that's it, I believe. I believe this is probably near the end of the trail. That's the rocks. And I don't want to show the guy cutting the grass again. I'm probably near the end of this trail. There's a car passing through. Yeah. Let me see. I don't think there's. I think there's a street for the people that ride on bicycles down here, and probably pedestrians like myself. as I said, Edgemere Drive is down here with the nice houses and the rivers and stuff. I would love to take you guys towards that location next time. Yes, this is the stop sign right here. I cannot believe it's Stop Jim. Stop Jim. Who is Jim? That is so funny. Stop Jim. I can't. That is so funny. This is for the pedestrians and the bicyclist people that crosses the street. This is a crossing the street area. Person's driving through. I guess this is a good thing when you do power walks and doing nature walks as well. Street. I guess this is the end of the trail, I believe. I guess that's it. And guys, this is the beginning of the trail. The trail that I showed you guys earlier, I guess that's the end of the trail. And over there, it says no motor vehicles, as I mentioned earlier. No cars or motorcycles can go through this trailway at all. Or that they can be in total trouble and they can be arrested or go straight to jail. It's the laws here within upstate New York, within the state of New York, period. That's the beginning of the trail. And it has, you know, no motor vehicles right here. So that no motor vehicles like motorcycles or anything can go towards this trailway within Greece, New York. Alright guys, I guess this is it for the trailways. Thanks for watching, you guys. Alright, you guys, that's it. You guys, I just wanted to show you guys around, you know, watching me, you know, do my first ever power walk, you know, walking down this long trail, you know, within Greece, New York. And I just wanted to show you guys the scenery, you know, since I always do my videos, you know, in my apartment all the time. And this is my third time I'm outside. So I wanted to show you guys a beautiful view. And I'm going to keep it at that. All right. Peace and love to you guys, and you guys have a very good night. All right, good day, people, and peace to all.